Hello everyone, my name is Sabrena and I'm a programmer at the People's Library. Today for Storytime, I'm going to be reading Jack and the Beanstalk. This book was copyright in 1992 by Shogo Harada, originally published by Joey Incorporated. It was also copyright in 1992 by Modern Publishing, a division of Unisystems Incorporated. Jack and his mother were poor farmers who lived by selling their crops. Until one day, when there were no more crops to sell, all they had left of value was their cow, Buttercup. "Take Buttercup to market today and sell her," Jack's mother said sadly. "Be sure you get a good price. It's all the money we'll have in the world." Jack roped Buttercup and took her to town. On the way, he met a man sitting by the side of the road. The man offered to trade a magic bean for Buttercup. Jack took the magic bean quickly, before the man could change his mind. Later that afternoon, Jack returned home, skipping merrily. "Look what I got for Buttercup," he told his mother proudly. "It's a magic bean." "How could you be so foolish, child?" his mother scolded. She threw the bean out the window. Jack awoke at dawn the next day. When he looked out the window, he saw that a tree had sprouted from the bean. The stalk grew way up into the sky, far beyond the clouds, and past the birds flying overhead. In fact, Jack couldn't see the top of the beanstalk, so he decided to climb it. Holding on tightly, Jack climbed higher and higher until he could see the entire village below him. And above, he saw a castle floating in the clouds. "Hello!" Jack shouted as he reached the castle door. When it opened, Jack was amazed. A washerwoman stood before him, but she was a giant. "Oh, good! A boy to do my work for me," she said. "Mind my master doesn't find you, or he'll eat you for dinner." Curiously, Jack followed her inside. Moments later, the castle shook under Jack's feet. "Oh no! Here comes the master," said the fearful washerwoman. "You'd better hide." Jack ran behind the bricks in the fireplace. "Fee, fi, fo, fum, I smell the blood of a runty one. Be he live or be he dead, his bones I'll grind to make my bread." A monstrous giant entered the room, and Jack trembled. "I smell a boy," the giant yelled at the washerwoman. "There's no boy here, sir," she said timidly. "Better not be or else. Bring me my gold, now," he commanded. After counting his gold, the mean giant fell asleep. Jack crept up onto the table and ran off with a sack of coins for his mother. "Look, Mother, we're rich," Jack said happily. Then he told her about the beanstalk, the enchanted castle, and the ferocious giant. But the gold was soon spent, so Jack climbed the beanstalk again, hoping to find more of the ogre's treasure. No sooner was Jack in the castle than he heard, "Fee, fi, fo, fum, I smell the blood of a runty one. Be he live or be he dead, his bones I'll grind to make my bread." Jack hid while the brute searched nearly everywhere. "Bring me my hen, now!" demanded the giant tyrant of the washerwoman. Once again the giant sat at his table, this time with a squawking hen upon it. To Jack's surprise, he saw the hen lay an egg of solid gold. When the wretched giant fell asleep, Jack took the hen and hurried back down the beanstalk. But when the hen died, Jack climbed way up the beanstalk to the castle yet again. "Bring me my harp, now!" he heard the miserable giant order. The meek washerwoman brought a golden harp that told the giant the secrets of the universe. When the beastly giant fell asleep, Jack crawled onto the table and grabbed the harp from within an inch of the monster's hand. "Master! Master!" called the harp as Jack ran away with it. The giant woke up and saw Jack. Enraged, the giant chased Jack to the beanstalk, waving his spiked bat ferociously and narrowly missing Jack with every crash. Jack ran to the beanstalk and began to climb down. The angry giant was right behind him and getting closer. "Mother! Mother! Bring an axe!" shouted Jack as he reached the bottom of the beanstalk. His mother came running to save her son from the vicious giant. Jack chopped through the stalk. He barely got out of the way before the giant crashed to the ground at his feet. The earth shook so from his landing that Jack was thrown up into the air, and the giant fell into a deep hole, never to be seen again. With the wise advice of the all-knowing harp, Jack and his mother became rich and never wanted for anything ever again. The end. And that was Jack and the Beanstalk. All right, everybody. Are you ready for a sing-along? We're going to be doing If You're Happy and You Know It. So, if you're happy and you know it, you clap your hands. And then if you're happy and you know it, you stomp your feet. And then if you're happy and you know it, you nod your head. And then if you're happy and you know it, you shout, hooray! Is everybody ready?
Are you ready? Terrific! It's time to get happy!
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all four. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, nod your head, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all four. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, nod your head, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
That was great, everyone! Nice job!
Great job, guys! Alright, there will be a link in the description below to that song. Also, there will be a link in the description for a Jack and the Beanstalk spiral paper plate craft. There is also a Hoopla recommendation of Jack and the Beanstalk and the French Fries by Mark Teague. All right, everybody, stay safe and healthy, and I will see you next time.